Well, we managed to beat the rain, and we got what we needed. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And it's really early, and I'm about to head into the car. I'm taking a daily to pick something up, which I think is a pretty good deal and something that I could use. We want to get out now because we got to head out to Jersey because rainy weather is kind of moving in. So I really want to get there before it starts downpouring. So yeah, let's get in the car and let's get started on the trip.
Hours later.
Okay, so what did we get? Ford Racing aluminum drive shaft. Let's bring it inside. Okay, so what we have here is a Ford Racing aluminum drive shaft. This is the one for the 4R70W. So it has a different slip yoke here at the front. And this thing is like brand new. Came off a car a guy was parting, and I had a pretty good deal on it. And yeah, this will be something else that's going to be going on the car real soon. Speaking of going on the car real soon, my buddy John also hooked me up with a set of clear fog lamps. And go like this. Yep, like this, I believe. No, what am I saying? They go like this, and these are in pretty good shape. He went to all smoked, and he's a really good guy. We just put a brand new steering wheel on his car. So it was really cool of him to toss these to me. So we will get rid of those stock fog lamps and put these clear driving lamps on the car. I will switch out these LED bulbs with the ones that I have in the car now because they are super bright and I really like them, and they do a nice match with the headlights. And of course the rest of the parts in here, we actually have the brake pads and the copper crush washers for those powder coated, now bullet style calipers. In here we have the rotors, so we got a lot of stuff to do here on the new Edge. But it is hot in here, so I picked up a nice 20-inch fan, which should help cool things off. But yeah, it's getting kind of miserable outside, so this is where I'm going to end the video. So look for these projects to be installed within the next few weeks. And yeah, I'm real stoked about this. And we are exploring options for a power adder for this car. I am looking at a supercharger setup. I think it might fit the bill. I'm a little gun shy to spend the money and you know, throw boost on this thing, but with only 60,000 miles, it should work out pretty well. So I gotta say, I'm really glad that we beat the rain, but picking up that drive shaft and adding it to the projects that I have to do now on the car. We do have a lot of wrenching to do, and hopefully after some of those things are done, this car will be better than ever. I don't know, my goals for this car, I think they're pretty realistic. I don't want an all-out monster. I just want something that I can enjoy on the street with my family and go to cruises and things like that. So I think that the mods that I have picked out for this year will pretty much put me solidly where I want to be. So keep an eye open for those videos that are going to come out here on the channel. And do me a favor, if you like to see those type of videos and you like this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing so you stay on top of all the latest content that's going to be coming out here on the channel. And thank you to all the new subscribers. I'm really happy with the feedback that I'm getting on the content that I'm producing here. So yeah, I hope you're all staying safe out there. And as usual, I'll see you on the next one.